So you see these videos, this line here, this is quarter, this is half, this is a quarter, this is 1 inch. Okay, these lines are not for kids, for jokes. Okay, for beginners, this is what you need to learn. Okay, if you want, for beginners, if you want to get straight stitch, you just fix your clothes. I'm just going to be using this for pieces. So you fix it and you make sure you wear at this line. Then you keep it. If this is what you want to use to sew, yes, that's right. What did I have here? I have the straight stitch. You can see it. Yeah, you can see the straight stitch. So if you want the same thing for half inch, take it to half inch. You put it. And you have the same thing, half inch straight. So just another look at it. So now let's do 1 inch. This is 1 inch. This line is half quarter. This is half. Okay, when you're doing it, make sure that whatever you're sewing is in front, so you know what you're doing. This is quarter. When it is here, it is like when it is here, you are seeing what is sewing is half quarter. When it is here, you know you're sewing half. When it is here, you're sewing half quarter. And when it is here, you're sewing 1. You know you're sewing 1 inch. And if you want it to be 1 1/4, then you make it to stay here. Okay. So now let's go 1 inch. Then we use our measurement to tip to check it. So this is 1. This is for 1, right? In front of 1. You see, in 1. Right, it is in 1, right? So we put it in 1. Then I just sew. Always remember to stitch while sewing. Now let's get our tape. We check it out 1 inch. Okay. Look at our tape. I'll take it out. So because of this iron at the edge, it's always difficult to get an accurate 1 inch. So this is how I'm going to do it. Now you can see it's exactly what we actually sewed is exactly 1 inch. As a beginner that has not mastered the trick of getting a straight stitch, this is the best way to get a straight stitch. In any material you're making, this is the best way to get a straight stitch. So for beginners that have not mastered the hack of sewing a straight stitch, whenever I have a 2 inch or more allowance, what I do is to use a chalk, mark from the starting point of where I want to sew my 2 inches, mark from the starting point to wherever it's going to end, and just sew. Okay, After that, you measure it, you measure your 2 inch, then you use a chalk to trace it. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.